GreenSky financing pricing explained what you get for your money. GreenSky is a popular financing platform, but most people get this wrong. They assume interest rates are hidden or unaffordable. The surprising truth is that GreenSky offers transparent, flexible financing options for home improvement, healthcare, and other large purchases. GreenSky works by partnering with merchants to provide point-of-sale loans. You won't believe how competitive their rates can be. For example, they offer promotional plans like no interest if paid in full within 6, 12, or 18 months. Standard APRs range from 7.99% to 26.99%, clearly displayed upfront, so you know exactly what you're committing to. Loan terms vary based on the purchase amount and your credit profile. Most people get this wrong by assuming the lowest monthly payment always saves money, but shorter terms with slightly higher payments often reduce total interest paid significantly. GreenSky doesn't charge hidden fees, prepayment penalties, or application costs. Their online application process is fast, giving instant decisions in many cases. In conclusion, GreenSky financing pricing is clear, flexible, and designed to help you afford big purchases without surprises. By understanding APRs, promotional offers, and term lengths, you go from zero to pro in managing financing effectively and getting the most value from your money.